Merlin here. Well, I'm right pleased. When I made this lift duct, I didn't even have a fan to measure it by, and it actually fits. Now right now it's just sitting, there's no bearings or anything like that. It's just sitting on a shaft, but you can actually see that it's actually gonna clear. Yeah, once I get it on a shaft, but yeah, it's actually gonna clear all the way around. Yeah, once I get it mounted, and it's gonna have a closer tolerance than I do on the carport cruiser. So I'm tickled. Yay once again for Universal Hovercraft. The fan's a perfect fit. That has me more inspired to start getting a drive system set up on this puppy. I don't know if I'm still going to try to go with a separate lift engine, but I've been playing with the idea of doing a belt drive off the thrust engine with a variator, and I'm kind of really liking that idea. I've already got the shaft there and everything. All I'd have to do is make up a system to hold the shafting and stuff, which really wouldn't be too hard to do. But yeah, that looks good. I like that. I'm tickled. Anyway, yeah, happy. This thing's actually starting to kind of come together here. Alrighty, well, we'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.